This creamy chicken casserole recipe is so easy to make. It really goes together quickly. To save time, start with your 4 cups of egg noodles, get those cooking, and then I actually use a rotisserie chicken, but you can cook up chicken about 3 cups. Then into a nice 12-inch pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, an onion finely chopped up, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, a clove of garlic, then add a cup of milk. Once you get all that stirred in, add your 3 cups of cheddar cheese. And then I use 1 can of cream of celery soup, but you could use cream of mushroom or cream of chicken. Then add half a cup of sour cream. Then add your pasta that's all cooked and drained. Add that back in. Then add some red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste. And of course, mix this all together. Put it in a 9x13 pan that's been sprayed with an oil, or you could even rub butter around it for even more yummy flavor. And then when I do the cheddar cheese, I reserve 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I sprinkle that on top. And then I like to add a little bit more of a gooey cheese that melts really good. So I had half a cup of mozzarella cheese on top of this. And then you're going to want to bake it for 20 minutes at 375 or 30 minutes for 350, depending on how hot you want to do it. But then serve it and enjoy it. And it's really scrumptious.